just going. Knocked one up top.
Killed one. I gotta reload. I gotta get to the mat. It's not worth it. Fuck it.
I knocked. I hurt him. Yep. Nice. Yo, if this plays back, I could be resable. If this plays back, I could be resable. No, I'm dead. 2 floppers on my body. If this plays back.
What's up, bitch?
It doesn't play back. Oh, you got hella mats.
Your pistol game is retarded.
Dude, the pistol's just dumb. Nice connect. Yeah, you're gonna win this. You can play flopper game too. I love your loadout right now. It's just, it's ideal.
So Eli. See where it goes.
Oh my gosh.
Ding, ding.
Oh wow, it's just
Floppers
collapsing.
too. Floppers too.
Oh, where?
Stay up there. Just stay
Yeah,
up.
it's, yeah. It could go back to my dead body. Check right. No. It might. It might. There's 2 more floppers over there. If you can just go play the flopper game end game.
I don't know, it's rotating a little east now.
Yeah, a little east now. But imagine, that would be so lucky.
I love this. It's top 2. So it's 1v3. You might have to play the flopper game.
Plenty of mats. Oh, there's a jump pad over there. You could go. Play flopper. You can go play flopper. When you have to go play flopper, go to my body. Shut up. Oh
No
my
way!
god.
No way! No way! No way! No way!